Today we are going to show you the unboxing of 10 dBi LPDA antenna ranging frequency from 500 MHz to 1000 MHz. It has a power handling capacity of 1.5 kilowatt. Inside box you will get a boom which is almost 3 feet long. It comes with 80 numbers of element marking from D1 to D18, as you can see marked on the element, and one spanner which will be used to tighten up the element onto the boom. Here is the marking of SRFS and specification sticker. To the installation part, as you can see, we have taken the boom. The base part of the boom has placed adjacent to the pole. Now we will use the accessories which comes with the antenna, that is 2 U-clamp, 4 nut, 4 plain washer and 4 spring washer, one by one, to fix the boom to the pole. Start. Insert U-clamp onto the base of boom like this. Insert plain washer first. Then spring washer. Then nut. Now with the help of a spanner, tighten it up. In this way, upper U-clamp is fixed, and in the same way we will fix the other one. Start. After fixing the boom onto the pole, the second step is to fixing the element onto the boom. As you can see, I have taken the set of D1 element. We will open up the nut, take out the spring washer and plain washer. Match the element code with the boom code. As you can see, D1 is written on the element and D1 on the boom. Now we will fix this element onto the boom. Place plain washer first, then spring washer, then nut. Then tighten it up with the help of spanner. After fixing all the 18 elements, you can see installation is done. After fixing all the elements, you have to match corresponding codes on boom and element. If D1 is there, D1 must be there on boom. Similarly, match with each element. D3, D3, D4, D4, D5, D5, D6, D6, D7, D7, D8, D8 and so on up to D18.